always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and go over the drop list for this upcoming Supreme week. I know that the drop is tomorrow and this video might be a little bit late, but hey, I got shit going on in my life right now. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to go ahead and look at the sub count. We recently did reach 18,000 subscribers, which I'm completely grateful to you guys for. I really do appreciate when you do come back and show some love to the videos. It does mean the world. Go ahead and keep showing love. Let's go ahead and get to 19K next, but without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go through the May 13th drop list. I'm gonna go from the top all the way to the bottom and work my way down. We do have a couple collaborations this week, one of which is actually gonna be super expensive, like literally hella pricey. We're gonna go over that. We got the Timberland collab, which is actually sick in my opinion, especially with these prices, but we'll go over that in a second. I'm gonna talk about this Smeg mini refrigerator. This one is basically one of those portable, not really portable, like mini size fridges, and this is gonna retail at a $1,400 price point. So if you're not breaded up to the neck, you don't need this in your collection. This is cool though. It's cool. It has a Supreme branding on the front. I feel like it gives off that vintage type vibe on it. And I don't know much about fridges, but I'm assuming that Smeg is a pricey ass vintage style fridge. $1,398 on the retail of this item. Honestly, pretty steep, but it does have really high ratings. So I wonder if people are gonna buy this. I could see it. I could see it low key. This is fire. I feel like resell on it is probably not gonna be there, but I might be wrong. Honestly, this could go for 2K. I don't know who's out here trying to buy a Supreme fridge. Personally, if this was like $300-400, it would be something that I'd even think about more. At this price is a hell no for me, bro. Next up, we do have this reflective taping Timberland anorak, and this is actually beautiful in my opinion. That cream colorway is gorgeous. Retail for this is $168. Honestly, can't even go wrong. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. For a jacket retailing at that price, being a collaboration with Timberland as well, this is a no-brainer in my opinion. I do love that black and red color, and the cream with the black is gorgeous. That 3M taping around the shoulders kind of gives me like Stone Island vibes for some reason. They do love using 3M taping, and I feel like this is a banger ass item. I feel like it's something that you buy and you just hold it off for next fall/winter. Beautiful piece in my opinion. I really am excited about this one, and it's an item that I'm honestly debating on picking up myself. I see why it is at the top of the list. Gorgeous item. Let me know if you guys are interested in picking that up. Fire. Next up, we do have this pocket drive bike pump. I'm assuming that this is to fill up the air in the tires of your bike. I don't know. This is cool, I guess. If you do ride bikes a lot, it's something that you would have in your book bag. I don't know. $58 for this though. Not that bad if it's something that you're into. Personally, that's a dub for me. We do got this Intarsia spell out short sleeve top. This was supposed to drop like 4 to 5 weeks ago, and apparently it didn't drop, so it's gonna drop now for $88 retail. They're smoking crack. They're wilding, bro. $88 for a regular t-shirt, tripping. This is a cool t-shirt. If it was $48, 38, 48, 58 maximum slight bars. And speaking of shit that should have dropped and never did, the Milan box logo literally just never released. I don't know if they plan on releasing it in the future or even in the season, but it never dropped, bro. At 11 a.m. on Monday or some shit like that, I was up for no fucking reason. That shit never released, bro. I was up, bro. Me and my girlfriend tried and nothing changed. Like, it didn't drop Friday, it didn't drop Monday, none of that. They wildin'. $88 for a t-shirt cause smoke a tip. Literally put $70 on top and get a jacket. We do got this Timberland crewneck, which is actually kind of fire. I do love the fact that it's almost like that vintage vibe on it. Really am a fan of that, if I'm being honest. This gives me like thrift store vibes. Like, you can pick this up at the thrift store in the 90s. I love the little ribbing around the neck. This navy with the forest green is actually fire. It ties in with that vintage feel that I was speaking about earlier. All these colorways are clean. Besides that cream, I feel like they could have done better with that one. Clean crew neck. Personally, I'd add a little bit on top and just get the jacket. We got this reflective zip crusher, basically a bucket hat with a little pocket on it. This is cool. If you are into bucket hats, it's something that you might want to pick up, especially in that plumish color. I feel like it's a different color and it looks clean. We do got the Timberland beanie, which is also also another clean piece. Personally, I just need no more beanies. Like, I need no more beanies. Low-key, I'm trying to get out of the habit of wearing hats, but it is what it is. 4 different colorways on the beanie, and like I said before, the cream colorway is kind of underwhelming because the actual font on it is in white. If it would have been in black, you could actually see the design on it. It is what it is. Personally, if I were to go for this, I'd go for the black or the navy. Those are my 2 favorites. We do have this bandana silk short sleeve top. If you guys know, Supreme is known for their bandana. They recently did drop the dunks, which had like these same colors. They had the brown, that greenish color, and the black. So this might go ahead and do good. Bandana prints do great for Supreme, and with the summer around the corner, this might be one of those pieces that does pick up in price. Personally, I'm not paying $158 for this when this anorak is looking ever so sexy at the top for $168. You feel me? It just doesn't make sense. We do got the Timberland double knee painter pants. Low-key, these are fire. I wish that the branding was a little bit more visible, because if you wear a shirt and you don't tuck it in, you're not able to see these. It's cool. I just feel like for the price point, it just doesn't add up, bro. It doesn't make sense in my opinion. We do got these reflective taping pants from the Timberland collaboration, and just like the anorak, these pants are fire. I love the taping around the bottom of it. Once again, it gives me Stone Island vibes. I just feel like when you see that on a pair of pants, it makes you think Stony Boys, and it's fire. I do like these in the cream or the black colorway. I do have one gripe with these, and it is the fact that the branding is so high that you won't be able to see it. If it was lower, low-key by like the knee or higher than the knee area, it would be cooler in my opinion. Or even if they put a cargo pocket on it with the branding on it, that would have been fire. This is cool nonetheless. Personally, I'd still go for the jacket, but the pants are fire, and they are retailing at $138, so you can get these over this silk shirt or these trucker pants 100%. I just feel like it looks so much better. But we do have the Timberland camp cap. I think it has like this see-through panel going around the sides right here with the small Supreme Timberland logo on the front of it as well right here. These are cool. Personally, I just stay away from these. I don't think that they're too beautiful or anything too special for me to go out the way and go ahead and buy this hat. I do like the colorways on it. This orange with the blue gives me Tim vibes. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's cool, but I'm good on that. We do got the peace pin as well, which is basically this peace sign with like little legs on it and then the fingers throwing up the peace. I feel like that's a nice addition that you could low-key throw on like your hat or something like that. It looks fire. But personally, once again, y'all already know, staying away from that shit. We do got this Blessings Ripstop shirt, and this is low-key the shirt that Supreme is about to get sued for, so I don't know if this is gonna be canceled. Literally says possibly canceled on it. Supreme might get sued over that, so if I was them, I wouldn't drop it. But knowing Supreme, they do shit like that. So we got this vampire keychain, vampire boy on it, has like a little bat and he's holding a knife or whatever. I don't know, it's like a little kid. I'm good on that. That's gonna retail for like $24 as well. And we do have the hoodie version of it right here, which is the same design on the pin, but on the front of this hoodie, the pink colorway is beautiful. Literally just the colorway. I don't really like the design too much. It's just not my cup of tea. But this yellow one is clean, and then that navy color that they've been dropping this season is beautiful as well. Personally, am gonna be staying away from that. And we do have a couple more pieces to go over. Low-key, this drop list is kind of big, but we do got the panel script hooded sweatshirt. We also do got the pants peeking out down here. This sweatshirt is so ass. Like, it reminds me of 2007 hoodies that you didn't want to buy type shit. Like, it just looks like a little bit too much. You got that Pele script on the front with the 94 under it, and it looks like this almost rhinestone feel to it. Definitely not for me. I don't know, if this is something you like, then hey, by all means go for it, but just not from this. Wasn't intended for your boy, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip on that. We got the striped short sleeve rugby. Basically, if you're trying to get polo down to the socks and go bowling, like, this is for you. You got that little Supreme name tag on it. It's alright if you like this type of shit. Like, this shit is so ass for me. We got this eagle hooded work jacket, which is literally when you go to like New Hampshire, Arkansas, Iowa, Oklahoma, and go to a gift shop, this is what you're gonna find. This all over eagle print shit right here. This work jacket is $200, and I could tell you literally 200 reasons why you should skip on that shit. We good on that. We do got the sweatpants or the painter pants as well. These are kind of a little bit cooler if you're one of those people that can style shit like this, but I'm not, so I'm not even gonna play myself. Like, I'm not picking these up at all. Like, we good on these. Low-key, you should be too, unless you could pull like some crazy fit with this shit. Don't even do it to yourself. But we do also have the paneled script sweatpants, and this is the last item that I am gonna go over as well. What? No, just leave these there, bro. Leave those right there. We don't need those in the collection at all, especially for the 148 price point. There's literally just this jacket can deter you from that. And if you're looking to get some pants, just get these pants. Don't do these. Just don't do these. Please don't do these, and we gonna be good. But I guess that pretty much does it for this video, man. If y'all did enjoy, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to look at the sub count. It's gonna be right up here. Come on, son. Don't look at that and not subscribe. Like, literally just subscribe to the channel, show some love, and hey, you gonna have good luck for 10 years. Like, just like this video, subscribe to the channel. We about to get straight up out of here. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.